Pardon the interruption, Christian Academy. We have breaking news from the world of science with our man in the lab, Wilhold or not, and Koinonia Labs, and we're going to learn about Velcro. And this is me with breaking news, Read Prompter.
Hello? Yeah? Is the thing working? This is Professor Wilhold or not, coming to you live here from Koinonia Labs. We are trying to discover the tie that binds us all together. We haven't been together in a while. Maybe you remember my chart. I want to know why some things work so well together, like peanut butter and jelly. Like everybody likes peanut butter and jelly. What is it that makes them so special, that they work together? Today we are talking about a brilliant experiment, a brilliant Velcro. Yeah, you like Velcro? Maybe you don't like to tie your shoes. Maybe you have Velcro shoes like this. Yeah, you just put it over there. The one side grabs the other side, and now nice tight sneakers, and you don't have to tie them. How does this work? Who came up with this idea? Velcro. Who'd ever thought of it? So this is Wilhold or not. I'll put on my special gloves before we handle the Velcro. Well, so you know, Velcro first came to us by a scientist in Sweden, a Swiss scientist. His name was de Menstral. Here he is. This is his patent, yeah, for the Velcro. See, it has two different sides. One's called the hook. Here's another diagram, yeah. One's called the hook, and one is called, what is it called? The loop. One called the hook, one called the loop. And the hook grabs onto the loop, and then Velcro. It's a wonder. It's a brilliant experiment. Velcro comes together. The two sides come together, and they stick tight together. The Monstrel, one day, he was hunting with his dogs in the Swiss Alps, and when he came home, the dog was covered in burrs. You know, like sticky little, like burrs, like things out in the woods. They stick to the dog. You ever have them stick to your socks? And you have to pick them off one at a time. And he had to sit there and take them all, pull them off his dog. And he thought to himself, why does this work? How does this sticker things stick to my dog? And why do I have to pull every single one off? How does this work? And so he began to study them, and he began to look closely, and he realized that there are two different mechanisms working. That the burr of the weed stuck, hooked onto the hair of the dog or the hair of your socks, and then they are stuck together. And so he came up with this idea, and he created the Velcro, and he hooked them together. And Velcro turned out to be very useful in the science. In the space program, NASA discovered that the scientists in space, their pencil would fly away, they couldn't find things, the tools they needed, and they discovered that if they put Velcro on the things and stuck them to the wall, then they would not float away in zero gravity. They would stick together like this. And it really is very helpful for absent-minded professors who can never find their pencils. Whenever they have a clipboard and they say, "Where's my pen? I cannot find my pen." And Velcro is genius because it hooks right to it. I cannot find my pin. I know I had it here. Look, I even Velcroed it to my clipboard. Well, at any rate, it doesn't matter. Velcro is a brilliant discussion. And one of your own classmates, at the carnival, the senior carnival, there was a Velcro wall. Did you try it? And they sent me some pictures of them sticking to the Velcro wall. So we are going to cut to that, and then this is done.
A man found seeds stuck on his dog's fur. This gave him the idea to make Velcro. Velcro works because on the sides is soft and the other side is spiky hooks. The soft and hard side are better together.
And then this is Dr. Wilhold Onnat coming to you from Koinonia Labs, where we are trying to find what is it that binds us and makes us better together. You see, in order for the Velcro to work, I still don't know where my pen, I cannot find it anywhere. That in order for the Velcro to work, there has to be two different kinds, hooks and loops. In order to work together, they have to be different. And that is the way it is for the kingdom of God. Each one of us is unique and special and different, but we hook together and our strengths hook up with each other, and so it makes us even better together because we have to be different so that we can be better together. All right, that's the lesson of the Velcro. This is Wilhold Onnat coming to you from Koinonia Labs. I will talk to you later. Yeah, how do I turn this off? I don't know.
Wow, that was really exciting. I learned a lot about Velcro. Thank you, Ms. Williamson's class, for those great demonstrations. And this is me for Breaking News, signing off. Read prompter.